I woke up feeling refreshed today.
I woke up feeling refreshed today.
She checked her phone as soon as she opened her eyes.
She checked her phone as soon as she opened her eyes.
He stretched his arms and let out a big yawn.
He stretched his arms and let out a big yawn.
I made my bed right after getting up.
I made my bed right after getting up.
We had eggs and toast for breakfast.
We had eggs and toast for breakfast.
I watered the plants before heading out.
I watered the plants before heading out.
They were already waiting at the bus stop.
They were already waiting at the bus stop.
I listened to a podcast during my commute.
I listened to a podcast during my commute.
She made a cup of coffee before starting work.
She made a cup of coffee before starting work.
I answered a few urgent emails this morning.
I answered a few urgent emails this morning.
She took her dog for a quick walk.
She took her dog for a quick walk.
I had a Zoom meeting at 10 a.m.
I had a Zoom meeting at 10 a.m.
She grabbed a snack from the kitchen.
She grabbed a snack from the kitchen.
I took a break and stretched for 5 minutes.
I took a break and stretched for 5 minutes.
We ate lunch together in the break room.
We ate lunch together in the break room.
She read a few pages of her book during lunch.
She read a few pages of her book during lunch.
I refilled my water bottle and returned to work.
I refilled my water bottle and returned to work.
He finished the report just before the deadline.
He finished the report just before the deadline.
I left the office around 5 p.m.
I left the office around 5 p.m.
She picked up groceries on the way home.
She picked up groceries on the way home.
I took off my shoes and put on slippers.
I took off my shoes and put on slippers.
He played with the kids in the living room.
He played with the kids in the living room.
I called my friend to catch up.
I called my friend to catch up.
She folded the laundry while watching TV.
She folded the laundry while watching TV.
I made spaghetti for dinner tonight.
I made spaghetti for dinner tonight.
She cleaned the dishes after we ate.
She cleaned the dishes after we ate.
I went for an evening walk around the block.
I went for an evening walk around the block.
She lit a candle and read a novel.
She lit a candle and read a novel.
I took a warm shower before bed.
I took a warm shower before bed.
She brushed her teeth and flossed.
She brushed her teeth and flossed.
I set my alarm for tomorrow morning.
I set my alarm for tomorrow morning.
She wrote in her gratitude journal.
She wrote in her gratitude journal.
I lay in bed scrolling through social media.
I lay in bed scrolling through social media.
He turned off the lights and closed his eyes.
He turned off the lights and closed his eyes.
I hit snooze at least twice this morning.
I hit snooze at least twice this morning.
She ran out the door with toast in her hand.
She ran out the door with toast in her hand.
He forgot his keys and had to go back.
He forgot his keys and had to go back.
I brewed a fresh pot of coffee.
I brewed a fresh pot of coffee.
We had a meeting that lasted over an hour.
We had a meeting that lasted over an hour.
She took a power nap during her lunch break.
She took a power nap during her lunch break.
I vacuumed the floor after work.
I vacuumed the floor after work.
She helped the kids with their homework.
She helped the kids with their homework.
I organized my desk to feel more productive.
I organized my desk to feel more productive.
She listened to music while cooking dinner.
She listened to music while cooking dinner.
I changed into pajamas early today.
I changed into pajamas early today.
He fed the dog before watching TV.
He fed the dog before watching TV.
I sorted my emails into folders.
I sorted my emails into folders.
She painted her nails while watching a show.
She painted her nails while watching a show.
I had a late-night snack around 11 p.m.
I had a late-night snack around 11 p.m.
He stayed up too late playing video games.
He stayed up too late playing video games.
I made a to-do list for tomorrow.
I made a to-do list for tomorrow.
She took out the trash before going to bed.
She took out the trash before going to bed.
I scrolled through news headlines while eating breakfast.
I scrolled through news headlines while eating breakfast.
He did some light stretching in the morning.
He did some light stretching in the morning.
I tried a new recipe for lunch.
I tried a new recipe for lunch.
She worked on a puzzle for an hour.
She worked on a puzzle for an hour.
He is standing on the station while the train is passing by.
He is standing on the station while the train is passing by.
He is walking with an umbrella on a rainy day.
He is walking with an umbrella on a rainy day.
She tried to wake up, but fell asleep again.
She tried to wake up but fell asleep again.
She is working on her laptop.
She is working on her laptop.
He is looking at the beautiful scenery around the station.
He is looking at the beautiful scenery around the station.
She is crossing the road with her dog.
She is crossing the road with her dog.
He is sitting in the rail station on a rainy day, thinking deeply.
He is sitting in the rail station on a rainy day, thinking deeply.
Her sleep is not complete.
Her sleep is not complete.
Everyone is congratulating and clapping for her in the meeting.
Everyone is congratulating and clapping for her in the meeting.
There is nice food on the table.
There is nice food on the table.
She is reading the newspaper in a restaurant.
She is reading the newspaper in a restaurant.
He is walking to the office on a rainy day.
He is walking to the office on a rainy day.